Another day, another Amazon package. So I purchased these. I've seen them several times when I've just been looking up some stuff that I was buying off of Amazon. And I apologize, my stuffy nose. It's like 70 degrees here in Oklahoma. It has been freezing the last few weeks, so my allergies are wacky right now. I've seen these several times while I was looking at things on Amazon for my car. And I finally just pulled the trigger. I thought, you know what? I like them. If I don't like them, it's not going to be a big deal. I can just take them off. So I will show you what I got after I open it in just a second. And here we go. I ended up getting some rear window louvers. I think that's how you say it. Anyways, here they are. It comes with some tape for me to put them on. I've always liked these on cars, and I thought I would like them on my car. So here is the material. It's a pretty sturdy feeling plastic. Obviously, it's got to be plastic to stay light and not just scratch the crap out of your window. Let me get this one, and I'll kind of mock it up real quick so you can see what it looks like. Here is the rear window. Here is the louver. Let's see if it's a good fit. Yeah, it's actually a perfect fit. We're going to get this put on, and I'm going to see what it looks like. Stay tuned. All right, so I just got the tape on the back. I have it here. I have it here. I have a little extra mounting tape that I might put right here. Now that the window's clean, this is ready. I'm going to go ahead and put this on. I'll put the other one on too, and I will let you guys see what it looks like after. Yeah.